Nice job. Try the other one.
Will is making a monster truck project from Lowe's. We didn't have time to do it at the store, so we just brought it home and we're doing it tonight. This is our first time actually hammering anything, so a little inefficient.
He's doing pretty good.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's see what piece is next. Oh, I think it's these. It's these two. So, let's see.
It goes here.
It does? I bet you're better at reading the instructions than Daddy.
Maybe. Oh, no, it goes right up here, buddy. It goes right up here.
But no. It goes right here.
Well, that is the right one, yeah. That's the right one. It goes here. It gets nailed in. 4 nails this time. That's a lot of nails.
Yeah. That's a lot of nails.
Do you think you can handle it?
I can handle that.
1 second. Let me start these before you start hammering.
That's
Okay.
a lot of nails.
Okay, go ahead.
What you this?
Oh, you want to here? You start this one. Okay, now start these two.
You do it.
Okay.
What?
You want Dave to finish these?
Yeah.